What's up, sixth graders? Rotation 1, here I come. Adding, subtracting, mixed numbers. We've done this before as well. And we're reviewing some stuff, I apologize, but that's what the district wants us to do. So here we go. I like to stack them on top of each other usually, just so it's easier for me to add and find a common denominator. So I'll put 8.5 plus 3 4/5. Common denominator, what will 5 and 2 both go into? 10 times by 2, so that makes 8 times by 5, so that makes 5 there. So now I got 8 and 5/10 plus 3 and 8/10. So I'm going to add the numerators, give me 13/10. 8 and 3 make 11. You can't have a mixed number with a whole number with an improper. So we're going to change this guy right here, remember, to 1 and 3/10. And we'll add that 1 to the 11. So our final answer should be 12 and 3/10. How'd I do? Did I get the answer right? I did, 1 for 1. All right, common denominator already there, sweet. 5 minus 1 is 4 over 6, 7 minus 3 is 4. These are both even, so I'm gonna divide by 2. Divide by 2, I get 2 thirds, my favorite fraction. All right, 4 and 2 thirds, got it. This one here, maybe the one that's you might have to remember how to do it. I do it 2 different ways. Me personally, which most of you guys probably could do, you could count up, because you can't take 3/8 from nothing, right? So I count up, how many 8s, how many more do I have to add to this 3 to get the next whole number, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add, is that 3/8, right? Yeah, okay, make sure I read it right. So I'm gonna add 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 5/8 to make the 8/8, right? So I added 5/8 to this to get to that, which made it to 7. Then I count up. 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 4 and 5/8. If you don't like that method, you can take this guy, borrow from that, make it a 10. You're borrowing a whole fraction, which is going to make sense to borrow 8/8. 8/8 really equals 1, so 1 and 10 still make 11, nothing changed. We're subtracting 8 minus 3, there's my 5, there's my 8, 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 and 5/8. I forgot to mention, I'm going to read out all the answers in the evening for the previous lesson. So tonight I will read off all these answers. Last night's answers are on YouTube. I'll start doing that every night in the evening time. So if you don't get something or you want to check it out, you can. All right, guys, have a good day.